Hi, second grade. This is day number 1 of our next project. We are learning about pattern. You need 2 pieces of paper. If you're working at home, it can be line paper or computer paper. At school, you're using 2 pieces of white drawing paper. Today, we are going to focus on we're going to do a portrait, if you saw in the slides. And a portrait is a picture of someone. For this assignment, you can do yourself, which would be a self-portrait, or someone else. I'm going to let you choose. So, focusing on the gloves and the hat today, I'm going to draw with a Sharpie so you can see what I'm doing, but you're going to draw with a pencil. Your paper is going to be vertical. All right? Vertical means up and down. You are going to, as far over to the edge as you can, you're going to place your hand. Notice my fingers are all together. You can stick your thumb out. And what you're going to do is you're going to use your pencil. You're going to trace around your thumb. You're going to come up, and instead of tracing each of your fingers, you're just going to draw a line that goes around your hand. So it's going to look like the shape of a glove. You're only going to do this one time because I'm going to show you a trick to make this a little bit easier. You're going to cut that one glove out that you made. Okay, and then you're going to use your scrap paper, what you have left, and where you can fit it, you are going to, I think I can fit it here, you are going to trace, maybe not, like this, I guess I can fit it like this. Okay, you are going to trace your glove that you drew before with your pencil. That way, each of your gloves will be the same size. So I think I lied. We're not going to need 2 pieces of paper for this. You're probably going to need 3. So I'll put that in the Google slide. Okay. You're going to cut out your other glove. Right. In a minute, we will talk about making patterns on these using lines. So you can put your gloves off to the side. Let's work on our hat. Let's get our next piece of paper. And with this piece of paper, you are going to, once again, make sure that your paper is vertical, which means up and down. At the bottom of your page, with your pencil, I'm using marker so you can see, you are going to draw a long, thin oval. Notice my oval goes from one edge to the other, almost touches it. All right, we want to make it nice and wide. All right, on top of your oval, come up, kind of like a rainbow, over and down. We're working on the hat. Okay, for the top of the hat, we're going to make another curve, kind of like a rainbow. That's going to be the little puffy thing that's on top of the hat. Okay, you're going to use your scissors, and you're going to cut this part out. Cut on the lines. Don't be in a rush to cut. Always looks better when you cut on the lines. Okay. And then you're going to use a crayon, colored pencil, or a marker for this, whichever you have at your desk or at your house. And you are going to start your patterns. Okay, you can do your hat and gloves, whatever color you want. They don't have to necessarily match. Okay, so for my hat, I want you to think about lines that we've learned about in the past. We have zigzag line, dotted line, dashed line, wavy line, spiral line, curved line, straight line, of course. Okay, you're going to do a pattern. It can be whatever kind of pattern you want, AB, AAB, ABC. Okay, and you're going to go ahead and, with your marker or a crayon, you're going to press hard if you do a crayon. You're going to nice and neat go from one side of your hat to the other. So I have wavy, I'm going to do dotted. So we're focusing on pattern, and think I'll do dashed. So I'm going to do an ABC pattern. Wavy, dotted, dashed. I might have room for one more wavy line. Okay, for the bottom and the top of your hat, you can either color it one solid color or do patterns on that as well. Okay, let's quickly do your gloves before we turn this off. Now, I want you to pay attention. You're going to have a right-handed glove and a left-handed glove. Okay, so it's going to look like the hands are turned out. Actually, turned out or turned in. You decide. I think I want them turned in, so the thumbs are touching each other on the inside. Okay, you can use the same color or a different color, and you can do the same pattern or a different pattern. So this time, I think I'm going to do zigzag, straight, straight, zigzag, straight, straight, zigzag, oops, straight, straight, and I would do that on the other glove. Okay, this is all we're going to have time to do today. Keep up the good work, friends. Bye.